As you can see, I've reassembled some stuff and painted the gray trim in, and not completed. We still got some touch-up work to do, but it's making progress. You can see the gray trim and the white cabinets. On top of the cabinets, I bought some Formica laminate to glue on top, but I did not trace out my shapes before I screwed them all in, and I'm not going to take them back out now. So I got me some cardboard boxes and trimmed them to make my patterns for the laminate. That laminate's pretty expensive. It will glue down with contact cement. And so I took some cardboard boxes and cut and trimmed until I got the shapes that I want. And now I'll be able to take them loose and take them out and lay them on the laminate, trace them out, and hopefully trim it, and it will fit in the right way the first time. So more to come. Now you can see that we've done some trim painting and put on the linoleum countertops. This is just a linoleum sheet that I bought from Lowe's. I think it's about $63. And put it on with some contact cement. It adds a little bit of texture to the countertops instead of just plain wood. The wood I was using is plywood. It's soft anyway, the pine. And so it will dent and scratch very easily. But this linoleum seems to be a pretty tough surface for the countertops. And I gotta get the tape, the label off of it, and trim the tape around the windows, and gotta touch up the paint. But for right now, it's time to install the bed and the bed frame, and then get the painting done on it. I also have the cabinet painted, but we got to put the hinges along the edges and probably put another coat of paint on the whole thing to make it a little bit more uniform color. So probably paint it one more coat around before we put the hinges on it. And now you can see most of the paint is finished. Still got to trim out the windows. Got the straps up to hold the bed up for when we're traveling, so it's ready to put the mattress inside the slot right here, and that'll fold down and sit down on top of these legs right there. I also put some straps here with Velcro to hold up the cabinet doors for whenever we need to access and work on the inside there. I put the vents in to keep the electronics ventilated. I don't know if it'll keep it any cooler, but it'll keep it ventilated, right? Put in a nice little protective tubing here for the 12-volt drop lines from the solar panels. Still got to paint that tubing. And we got the countertops, the linoleum. It's a laminate, and I glued it on with the Loctite power grab. The sink is hooked up. 12 volts hooked up, ready to roll. It functions. Plumbing's hooked up. I've got all the little LED pucks all hooked up. And pretty much the major job still left to do is the flooring and maybe a little bit of touch-up work. Oh yeah, my wife wants to put in some fabric for the ceiling, and that's going to be her thing. So we'll probably put some Velcro across the metal ribs across here and hang some sort of fabric that she wants, that she can change out every once in a while, change the look of the insides. So that's the plan on that. I've still got to put in the max air fan, the vent fan. So it's getting really close to time to try it out.